If you're seeing OneDrive error code 0X8004Dec5, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually get OneDrive signing in and syncing again. We'll start with the quickest reset method, then clear the sign-in cache, and finally unlink and relink OneDrive if needed. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows fix videos. Let's get into it. First, we're going to reset OneDrive. This is often the fastest way to clear temporary issues and refresh the app. On your keyboard, press Windows plus R to open the Run box. In the field, type C:\program files \Microsoft \OneDrive \OneDrive.exe \reset. Make sure you type it exactly as shown because the reset command needs to point to the OneDrive executable. Once that's typed in, press Enter. After you do that, OneDrive may disappear for a moment, and that's completely normal. Give it about 2 minutes to finish the reset process. Don't rush this part, because the app can take a little time to rebuild its settings in the background. After the wait, open OneDrive again and check whether the error code 0X8004Dec5 is gone. If OneDrive still isn't working, the next step is to clear the OneDrive sign-in cache. This can help if the issue is caused by corrupted login data or old authentication files. Start by signing out of OneDrive if you're currently signed in. Then press Windows plus R again to open Run. This time type %localappdata%\Microsoft and press Enter. That will take you into the Microsoft folder inside your local app data directory. Look for a folder called OneAuth. Open it and delete everything inside. This step removes cached sign-in information that sometimes block OneDrive from authenticating properly. After deleting the files, restart your PC. A full restart is important here because it helps Windows clear any locked processes and apply the changes cleanly. Once your computer starts back up, sign into OneDrive again and see if the error has been resolved. If you're still getting the same OneDrive error code, the next fix is to unlink and then relink OneDrive. This forces your PC to create a fresh connection to your Microsoft account, which can often solve stubborn sign-in problems. To do that, click the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray, then click the gear icon and choose Settings. In the Settings window, open the Account tab. From there, click Unlink this PC. Don't worry, this does not delete your files from the cloud. It simply disconnects the current account from this device. After that, open OneDrive again. You'll be prompted to sign in. Use your Microsoft account to reconnect the device, then follow the setup steps until OneDrive finishes syncing. In many cases, this fresh sign-in clears the 0X8004Dec5 error and gets everything working normally again. So to recap, the 3 main fixes are reset OneDrive, clear the one-off sign-in cache, and unlink then relink your PC. These steps solve a lot of OneDrive login and sync errors without needing advanced troubleshooting. If one method doesn't work, move on to the next until OneDrive starts behaving correctly again. If this video helped you fix the error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the videos and lets you find more quick Windows troubleshooting guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.